Are you tired of cleaning your bathtub with just soap and elbow grease? Well, welcome to 2025 because we're going electric. Now all we need is just a little bit of soap and this device here with multiple different types of head, and no more are you gonna have to sit in that bathtub straining just to get the stains out. We're gonna let this do all the work. Let's go. Okay, and this is an 8-in-1 electric spin scrubber for the cleaning bathroom. No more are you going to have to clean by hand anymore. This thing has 8 interchangeable brushes, has dome brush, large flat brush, corner brush, flat brush, wool brush, fiber brush, storage brush, and cloth brush. You have all the brushes you need to get them corners, the walls, glass. Trust me guys, this thing is so cool. No more elbow grease, and it's so nice. So USB-C charging is great too, and adjustable handle, so no bending is needed. You get a manual as well. And here's the device itself. You got 3,000 milliamp hour battery with 3 speeds, so it's got a good motor. So low, medium, and high speeds, and USB charging port right there. The thing is also waterproof as well, so don't worry about getting this thing wet. It can handle that. And you can easily extend the handle to clean floors and high walls, which is great. So those hard to reach places, you can reach up, and you're not going to have to bend down as well. Adding on the attachments is easy as well. You just snap it right on and then pull it right off when you're done, and that's how it moves. Okay, well, I hope you do not mind my dirty bathtub. I got it really dirty just for this. So what we're going to do is just get it a little bit wet, get some soap in there, and see if we can get all that dirt and grime off. This will be a real test. Let's go. Okay, so I bought this pink stuff off of Amazon. It's apparently some really good cleaner. I'm just going to spray this down on the bathtub and wait about 5 minutes, and then we'll get to scrubbing and see, can we get all this dirt and grime off of these tiles? We all know it takes forever, but this effortlessly removes soap residue, lime scale, and stubborn buildup in tubs, tiles, and shower walls. You can clearly see the dust comes the dirt and grime comes right off. No more scrubbing by hand. This thing just took me about 10 minutes to just go through every area, and you have different attachments for different areas. So you have this little corner area here that you might struggle with. Just use this attachment here for the corner and it gets all that off. As we said before, it's IPX7 waterproof, so don't worry about getting this thing wet, no problem. You also have this nice wool scrubber as well for the stuff that just really is hard to get off. Look at that, it comes right off. Your bathroom will shine again, trust me. Look at that. Everything came off. This thing looks brand new again, and it only took me about 10 minutes or so. You really want to go deep? Go 20 minutes. It'll be brand new again. And when you're all done, just put everything back into its bag and store away for later use. I promise you, you're going to want the 8-in-1 electric spin scrubber. Thanks for watching.